Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to Mommy Mantra. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together a simple and elegant birthday party backdrop like this. And I chose rainbow theme. Believe it or not guys, it just costed me $12 in total to make this backdrop. It is definitely a budget friendly option. You don't have to go out to any store to buy these. I have linked all the product links in the description box. Please check it if you're interested in making this backdrop. Let's see what all we need. I have reused a cardboard box and I have cut it into cloud shapes. We need 2 of these and some balloons, long balloons like this. If you don't have these balloons, you can cut cardboards into rainbow shape and you can color it. We need some glue, any kind of balloon pump. You can use this electric balloon pump or a normal hand balloon pump which we use. And this is a rainbow tassel or rainbow pom-pom garland which I bought it from Walmart. I have linked it in the description box. It's just $2. And this is a birthday banner. I'm making this for my daughter's birthday. If you're making for any other party, you may not need this. And some cotton balls. Take any cardboard and draw a freehand cloud pattern on it like I'm showing in the video, and we need to cut it out. We'll be needing 2 pieces of these. Cut the first one, trace out and cut the next one. Once you're ready with both of the cardboards cut, we need to glue cotton onto it. I have just used 12 cotton balls per one cardboard or one cloud. You can use more or less depending on the size of the cardboard box you're using. Now we need to pump the balloons. I have used all the pastel shades of the rainbow here. You can use the darker shades. Once you're done with blowing all the balloons, we need to stick them back to one of the cardboard box depending upon the size of your balloons. We need to tie the balloons on both the sides. Don't forget to make a knot on either side of the balloons. And we need to stick them using a tape. I don't have a scotch tape on hand, so I have used this heavy duty tape. You can also use the scotch tape, a normal plaster which we use at home. Before taping all the balloons together, don't forget to bend them, holding them together in a rainbow shape, and then tape them. After this step, we need to use a double-sided tape. I didn't have one, so I'm using the normal tape as a double-sided tape here. And we need to stick this cloud on the other side of the rainbow like I'm showing in the video. That's it guys, and it's ready and we can put it on the wall now. The next thing which I'm going to show you is the tassel backdrop. This is the rose gold tassel backdrop which I am using. This was the one long tassel backdrop. I have cut it at my desired level because I was putting it over my sofa, so I don't want the length of it, so I have trimmed it to the length, and I have just made some tassels and fixed it on either sides of the wall. This is how it looks after that. After this, put the rainbow which we have made earlier, and these are the rainbow pom-poms. Cut them in the group of 2s and 3s and paste it alternately. One last step is to put the happy birthday banner and you're good to go. This is all we need to make a birthday backdrop like this. If you feel this was budget friendly and easy to do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and share it among your friends and family who are celebrating their birthdays or their loved ones' birthdays. Thank you so much for watching, and as I said, subscribe, like and share my videos. See you all in my next video guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and bye.